First we need to turn off the switch and unplug the power. Disassemble the laser pad cable. Remove the RF and suction cable, 80K cable and Cavitation cable. Disassemble the filter. Remove all handles and laser plates. Remove the bracket of the laser board and replace the pre-installed screws. Remove the handle bracket and reinstall the pre-installed screws. Remove the wire hanging bracket and replace the pre-installed screws. Unscrew the screen fixing screws and remove the screen. Put all components in the road case. It should be noted here that the wheels of the main unit cannot be placed vertically, but must be placed sideways. Then put the accessories back into the corresponding grooves. Fasten the latch and make a clockwise rotation of the flap to secure the road case.